Hey guys, what's up? And welcome to my entry video for the Dutch NYX Face Awards. In this video I will recreate an old look I did back in 2015. Today I will transform myself into Bloody Mary. This look is inspired by the Bloody Mary character from the game The Wolf Among Us. Since I don't think a queen like Mary wears a nose ring, let's lose it. I'm gonna start with a liquid face primer. Shake well. For this look I want to create a ghostly look, so I want my face to look more pale than usual. Only problem is that even the lightest shades of foundations are often too dark for me. If you're anything like me, I highly recommend the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the color Pale. As you can see, this foundation is really liquid, so be careful. After applying the foundation, I set it with a transparent powder. See, I already look like a ghost. So let's get to the eye makeup. I start with filling in my eyebrows. Since I want to make Mary look evil, I decided to give her bold black eyebrows, and I used the black eyeshadow from the NYX Love in Paris Be Our Guest Maurice palette. I finish it off with a NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in the color Black to give my brows some texture back. Hey, that rhymes. Let's play with some dark liner. I used the NYX Jumbo Pencil in black to create the smoky eye look. First I color my waterlines and I apply a little bit on the eyelids. Be careful you don't use too much, cause it will be harder to blend. And for some extra magic, I use one of my Harry Potter brushes to blend it out. I use the same black eyeshadow I color my eyebrows with to make the eyes look more intense. And with a unicorn brush and a really pigmented red loose eyeshadow, I color my crease. I have way too many crazy makeup brushes. I also extend the eyeshadow more upwards to create a really intense look. And I also apply some underneath my eyes. With a tiny brush, I apply some of the black eyeshadow on my lower lash lines as well. I used a darker red eyeshadow in the center of my crease. To make the look a little more glam, I used a silver eyeshadow in the inner corners of my eyes. And to finish the eye look, I applied the NYX Doll Eye Mascara in black on both my upper and lower lash lines. Next up, the lips. I started by lining my lips with a red pencil. I fill them in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Amsterdam. Coincidence? Then I grab the black Jumbo pencil again and fill in the outer corners of my lips. With a tiny brush, I blend it in with the lip cream. Alright, slightly change of light. I just went out for dinner and when I came back it was dark. Sorry! But right now it's time for the SFX. First you need some shards. I cut mine out of plastic. Disclaimer, do not use real glass. I don't have to tell you guys that it's too dangerous, right? To make them stick to your face you will need liquid latex and some cotton. Peel off some tiny strings of the cotton. I like to prepare all the shards in advance, but you can also put them on your face one by one. Dip the side of the shard you want to stick on your face in the liquid latex and cover it with 2 small strings of cotton. Your fingers might get sticky, so watch out when you work with the cotton. Cover the cotton with another layer of latex. I used a makeup sponge to do this, but you can also use a spatula. And there you have your own fake pieces of glass. Now for the less fun part, remove the makeup from the places you want to apply the shards. Apply some liquid latex on the spot you want your shard to be. Put 2 small strings of cotton on the latex when it's still wet. Make sure you leave some space in the middle. Cover this with latex. Put one of your shards between the strings of cotton and apply a little more latex to secure it. When you cut some spaces left open, fill them in with cotton and latex until it starts to look like a wound. Now let this dry. You can let nature do its job or speed up the process by using a blow dryer. I prefer this last method. Repeat this on all the places you want the shards to be. To get rid of the shine of the dry latex, apply a transparent powder. I now apply a brown powder on the latex as well. This will make it easier to blend with my skin when I apply the foundation again, since the dry latex has a very prominent color. I apply the foundation with a tiny beauty blender. Next I apply a darker brown eyeshadow to make the wounds look more rotten. And after that I apply the same red eyeshadow from the eye look to make the wounds and the skin around them look irritated. To intensify this, I use the cream blush on the wounds as well. And now it's time for some gore. I started by applying dark, almost brown fake blood. This simulates old, dried up blood in the wounds. I go over that with a brighter fake blood. Is it really necessary I keep saying fake blood? I'll just do it, just in case. With an even brighter red fake blood, I created the drips. At this point I decided I wasn't satisfied with the glam factor in this look, so I decided to apply some red glitter on my eyelids. I did this using the NYX Glitter Primer and the NYX Glitter Brilliance in red. And I was also not satisfied with the gore factor in this look, so I also applied some dripping blood underneath my eyes. Did you notice the secret glam and gore reference? Time for a costume change. I used the same old and pimped dress I wore in my other Bloody Mary video. Fun fact, this is not a costume, but an actual wedding dress from my stepfather's mother. Put on a wig and you're almost there. Since glass doesn't shadow very clean, I also applied some blood spatters around the wounds. I did that by dabbing some fake blood around the wounds with my finger. And there you go, 1 tank of nightmare fuel for you. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I see you guys in the next one and hopefully in the next round of the Dutch NYX Face Awards. Bye bye!